Today, we're going to make a fun activity called a jumping frog.
今日はジャンプするカエルを作るよ。
So, you're going to take a paper cup and you're going to cut 2 lines on each side like this.
まず紙コップの縁にこのように左右の2本ずつの切り込みを入れてね。
Now, you're going to fold those little ears in and staple a rubber band bridge like this.
その切り込みを外側に折り曲げて、そこに輪ゴムを挟んでホチキスで留めてね。
And finally, you can draw and paste frog ears and frog legs like this.
最後にカエルの顔と手足を貼り付けたら出来上がりだよ。
And once you get that, you can stack those cups and then let it go and it jumps like this.
こんな風に2つの紙コップを重ねて手を離したらカエルがジャンプするよ。
Why don't you try this and we'll see you next time.
みんなもぜひ試してみてね。また次回。
Bye bye.
Thank you so much for watching today.
みんな今日は見てくれてありがとう。
We hope that you enjoyed it.
みんな楽しめた？
Make sure to subscribe to us on YouTube so that you don't miss any of our great content.
素晴らしいコンテンツを見逃さないためにも早速 YouTube でチャンネル登録をしてね。
And if you want to connect with us, check the description below and follow us on social media.
そしてもっとつながりたい人は概要欄から SNS のリンクをチェックしてね。
We'll see you next time.
じゃあまた次回。
Bye bye.
バイバイ。